Vegan. I'm about to make some cookies. Vegan, of course. What's up, Team T, baby? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? I'm doing great, but how y'all doing? Can you guys tell I'm litty like a titty? Because I'm about to make some vegan, of course. I have to just say it because, you know, there's the people out there that are like, you didn't say vegan. Does that mean that you're still making something vegan? Yes, I'm 100% vegan, plant-based, and I am never going back. So anything I ever cook is going to be vegan. Scope the shirt. Hold up. It says, eat pussy, not animals. That is so true. I mean, it's healthier for you, it's better for you, and you're not harming anybody. But I wanted to show you guys this super cute new crop top that I am baking in. I got it from Ethnical Reina, I think I'm saying that right. It's right here. And I'll put it in the description below, their Instagram and their website, so you guys can check out all their really cool. This is funny, like I've seen this on Instagram. When I saw it, I was like, oh my god, I need that. That's perfect, especially while I'm making cookies for you guys. So today I'm going to be using some super fine almond flour. All it is made from, is this blurry? All it is made from almonds. So it's gluten-free. Anyone out there who is gluten-free like I am, I don't use any white or wheat flour. A lot of you guys have probably been able to tell from my cooking videos. It's such like good calories. It's 4 grams of protein, so you're getting even more protein in your cookies. Only 5 grams of fat and 5 carbs. So literally ingredients, blanched almonds, that's it. So I'm going to be making gluten-free cookies with this and this chocolate, which is from Whole Foods, and you guys should look it up on Amazon. You could probably buy it in bulk, but it's the best vegan chocolate I've ever had in my life, ever. Like, it's so good. It's made from coconut milk and raw Ashanika cacao, so it's 40%, 47% cacao and 22% coconut. It's just basically coconut cacao. It's so freaking good. Like, I wish I could give you guys a try. So I know it's like a chocolate bar, and I have like 4 of them in there. So I'm going to crush this up instead of chocolate chips, and yeah, I've been snacking. And put it inside my cookies, and I'm going to put some baking powder. I'm going to put some Hershey's cacao. I'm going to use almond milk. I'm going to put a little peanut butter and some agave and some stevia and some vanilla. You guys, these are going to be so good. You're going to want to go get these ingredients and make them like right now. So I know I'm not the only one out there that has the sweet tooth, and it's crazy because I haven't done my my cooking videos in a while. I did the 30-day yoga challenge. I've been doing a lot of like yoga after the challenge, and I've been doing a lot more videos like just related to stuff like that. But your girl's still in the kitchen every day, literally like 5 times a day. Cooking is my true passion, and it'll never fade, ever. But just because I didn't do the cooking videos doesn't mean that I'm still not practicing my craft. You have to practice in order to get, you know, amazingly perfect. And one day you guys will be able to try out my recipes. So anyways, let me make sure this little crop top doesn't come up. Okay, so let me put this little, I gotta look cute while I'm cooking, you know what I'm saying? Let's put this little updo bun right here to get my bangs out of my face. Oh yes, girl, what is this? Okay, we're not gonna do that. So let's just start baking. So first, in my little bowl, I am going to use 3/4 cup of almond meal, and you want to keep your dry ingredients, I missed a little bit, your dry ingredients separate first from your wet ingredients. So while you are doing your dry ingredients, preheat your oven to 350. Now while that's preheating, we have your almond meal, and then we are going to add in about 1 to 3 tablespoons of cacao to make it chocolatey. And then we are going to add in a teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, and then you'll put your stevia. I'm doing 3 packets because I'm also using agave. So you're just gonna add that in. Now, let's stir this first, the dry ingredients. Okay. I don't usually measure, but we're gonna add in a little bit of agave for sweetness, about like 1 big tablespoon. And then a little bit of vanilla, 1/2 teaspoon. Okay, now let's do some peanut butter, because why not? Put in 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Oh yeah. And 1/4 of vanilla almond milk. And stir that bad boy up. Oh my God. Usually I would use parchment paper. I haven't gotten it yet, so I'll line it with tin foil. And instead I'll spray it with coconut so it doesn't stick. And I'm going to crush our chocolate up and add it in there. Alright, you guys, now it's time for the taste test because these things look amazing. Look, look, look. You guys, oh my god. I always seem to try it for you guys when it's like super, super hot. But y'all ready for this? I'm eating my hair. Oh my god. I have not baked something in so long. This tastes so freaking good. Oh my god. I don't know what to do. When people say they can't go vegan or try vegan, if you tried this, you probably go vegan within like a minute or 30 seconds. Wow. Your girl did good again. That was amazing. You guys, please give this recipe a try. Oh my god. If you have a sweet tooth like me, I can't stop. Like, that was so good. But if you have a sweet tooth like I do, or just in general, like a little treat once in a while, you have to try that. The ingredients aren't expensive. They're really good. And you can pretty much find them everywhere. So I will leave my recipe for you guys in the description below. And if you guys make it, don't forget to tag me on my other Instagram, Natural Built Bodies, where I post a picture that shows that I made the recipe on YouTube so people can go follow it. So don't forget to tag me on your pictures. Comment down here once you've made them. Email me your pictures of your cookies. Send them to me. I love to see when you guys make my recipes. It makes me so happy. So with that being said, I'll see you all in my next video. I love you, Team T, baby.